Hello, I'm Miss Eileen. I'm the Assistant Center Director here at Tutor Time Suffolk and Dorset campuses. Today we're going to take a deeper look at the English literacy components of the School Essential Learning Kit. The main component for the English is definitely going to be our alphabet cards. The alphabet cards are going to do a lot more than just teach the letters to your children. The flashcards also work with our interactive pen, which is recorded by a native English speaker so that your child can have the proper pronunciation for all of the phonemes and words that they'll be learning on the card.
K is for kangaroo.
In addition, all of the letters are actually going to have texture so that your child can learn the proper way to also write the letters and work their pre-writing skills as well. Pairing with the flashcards is an activity book written by teachers for parents. These include detailed lesson plans that are play-based Montessori-style games that you can play at home with your children to strengthen their retention of learning letters, phonemes, and blending games as well. You'll also receive weekly worksheets from Learning Time, and they will have components of English and Mandarin in them so that your child can have greater retention by practicing at home. The storybooks are going to follow really fun themes, and you can read along with them at home, or they can just practice it independently, which makes it really convenient for our working families too.
Let's learn English.